Hello, friends! Today, Leo and Lila are going on a little adventure. They're going to discover something magical, their 5 senses. First, they use their eyes to see. Leo and Lila look around the garden. They see bright flowers, flying butterflies, and the beautiful sky above them. "Wow," says Leo, "the world is so colorful." Then they listen carefully. They hear the song of the birds and a tiny bell that goes ding ding. Lila smiles and says, "That sounds so sweet." That's the sense of hearing. Now Leo and Lila meet a soft little kitten. They gently touch its fur. It feels so smooth and warm. They laugh together. "That's the sense of touch," says Lila with a big smile. In the kitchen, something smells amazing. Leo sniffs the air. It's Mom's cake. And Lila smells a pretty flower. "That's the sense of smell," she says happily. Then it's time to taste. They share a sweet strawberry ice cream. "Yummy," says Leo. "That's the sense of taste," laughs Lila. At the end of the day, they sit together under a big tree. The sun is going down, painting the sky with golden light. Leo says softly, "Our 5 senses are magical. They help us discover the world." And Lila nods with a warm smile. Yes, every day is full of wonders.